is that they are very comfortable with the liquid funds, which are nowadays even giving ATM cards. You can promote these funds as a contingency fund where customers can put in their money. They have a card facility attached to that and they can use the money if required by them. And it gives them better returns as compared to the savings account. So looking from the client's perspective is equally important. When they first entered mutual fund, we had to introduce them through the liquid funds, gradually move to debt with zero exposure to equity, and with the gold funds, it's easier to welcome them to the feel of auto debit process, to the feel of mutual fund, how it works, and later when we build the trust and they understand how returns are being generated in equity funds, they then do not hesitate to